Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami frog face.
Frick!
So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half both ways. Then fold the top edge down to meet the horizontal crease. Now turn your paper over. Now fold the left and right edges to the center. Then fold the bottom edge so that it surpasses the bottom part of the top. Now tuck the bottom edge inside the two white squares. Now turn your paper over and fold the top edge down a little. Then lift up the two top layers and then flatten them. Then fold the two small corners in the middle of the top diagonally. Use scissors to cut a little bit of both sides of the green triangle along the bottom edge of the white part. Then fold the bottom left and right corners of the white part up diagonally. Then fold the four corners of the green triangle a little towards the center to form the face of the frog. Then turn your paper over. Then fold the two corners in the middle a little backward. Now you can add your features onto this frog face. have your own origami frog face. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.